And she a go on like that she no blind and I ask Curly cousin. And Curly cousin tell me say and that's why they call her one-eye Jack. Man, when you pray for take my life, you not turn over and stay on your back like if you drop in a stay, you stay like when cockroach drop on them back in a Curly. Curly, why you file for bankruptcy? You know say a prison work that? You in a way big trouble. You never know say me have your bankruptcy receipt them put on ya. All you over there they go on. You never know say me have them sit down pan ya. Me have a whole of them sit down pan ya. Everything me have sit down ya for you and I'm going to reel them out when I done. Me have trouble you? When you take the PP loan and go to Jamaica go work my business, that never illegal, Curly. Come here, Curly. When you take the government disability money, when you take the government disability money and go Obia man and go take it and mine young boy, if I have one party you buy and give him, that no fraud. When you take the people their money for sheet, all the insurance and a claim money, a thief you over there, Curly is a scammer. Curly, everybody where you know, people if you know say Curly come and a friend on a run. Because she only friend enough for know on her life and telling us that she travel. As if you know say Unaga Jamaica, she reach down there. And she did there take off glasses last night. Curly, a one eye you have. One eye you have, miss. One eye. You know you're legally blind in a one eye. You have 20% vision in a one. Remember, say you nearly drink the roach. Because you have to check out at the hotel 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock at the time. Curly no live nowhere. And I eat the stress and the nerves that come out for now. But wait till when you see the bankruptcy paper go out here. And wait till when time Dr. Love and Ashanti and the rest of blogger them record me. I put it out there for them take it up. And wait till when time they're ready for run with it. Because since you're enough and you want to get into the spotlight, we are give the celebrity. We are give the now the award, me I give the celebrity award. We are give the runway for walk pan. And she a go on like that she no blind and I ask Curly cousin. And Curly cousin tell me say and that's why they call her one-eye Jack. Curly, I know me I make up story upon you. I have my book here, my black book, and the people them tell me I write it down. Cause I not tape nobody. I tell them to say me I write it. I no want to put out everything upon you. I don't want to fling out everything upon you, but since you're bright enough for over there for you go say you want to come you want to write in a letter say you want to come a cursor when you know you're broke. Cause you have to have $2,000 out of immigration for show them. Cause this is a Dutch country, you're coming here with an American passport. And you want to come and me mash up towards him and you mash up the American government because you thief money 2 times. You get 15,000, nearly 16,000 from Connecticut. Me have them the file you sit down pan too. Then you go over Florida, got thief nearly 20,000. That's why the business at Jamaica never prosper and that's why the people them reject your money. Now Curly, me want to know which lie me tell. Any lie me tell at the owner for the car tell me. Wasn't there a policeman with a BMW? Wasn't there a guy from above rock? Do you want me to call out the guy name and yes, so you draw me? I know the guy name. Me know the guy mama name, papa name, auntie name, uncle. Me know the guy family them more than you. Can nobody not tell me nothing and me run out with it without me do my investigation? That's why I'm always sit down on Tory. You went in at the guy messenger box and tell the guy, oh, you have money like what you say. Now what do you say 100,000 you did have? So all of a sudden the 100,000 jump from 100,000 to 400,000. Then Curly, you that go live in America where you are cause Jamaica is a third world country and you don't live there when you take up money go put in a bank down there. Play with me Zelle and play with me Cash App. If you're ready to figure out work house, Play with me Zelle and play with me cash up and you will see what I can do to you. You remember what happened to you, how me fling you off a winter eye top? Trust me, Curly, I will fling you behind bars. And take this very serious. Now it's getting personal with us. My whole T-girl in a one and my whole you in a one, and if a pussy ever come me buck them down. You pass your place now. Blessings King. You are past your place. Come out, come tell your followers them why you file for bankrupt. Why you file bankrupt? Why you file for bankruptcy? All these years you live in America, you're a crook, you're a thief, you're a disgrace to the country. Me have them here, me I go fling them out. Since you want to make up scandal upon me, where if me come on my platform and ask something that my people them give me, should not be a problem with you. Me I go there with you. You want come here financially, me I go that's financially. One thing I can tell you now, them can't do me nothing because I never come out here say me I sell nothing. You not have no receipt, so when you go report, where you go report, you not put no money in this, you not have no receipt. Me did not sell nothing, I mean not pay. You must think as some people, you cannot report nothing. Uno go on like say, uno no law and phone no law account. So since you say me can't put it on my platform like you build a page you give me. Me pin it up, and I want you take it down. I want you out of yourself and take it down. And then you see if me not take it to you and send you go put it for the people the money where you take. Remember, I know all that kids me sit down pan for you, Curly. Can me tell you say this morning, yeah? I never have to say nothing to you, you know. I make you go on, come and tell us, me not in it with you. You too nasty and dirty for your all, man. Your behavior is just like how you live. Me tell you, say you're the only housewife I don't want a map and a broom. You make sure. Just dust your furniture them, you know wear drawers. Cause guess what? No, when you also want clean, we are tell a Jamaican style. You cut out the drawer seat and you will come out gamoose and dusting cloth and them something there. All drawers are all t-shirt when you have clean it. And the way you nasty and workless, you make sure say. That's why I notice I should not have nothing down there. Maybe the little money we should have sell a little sheet them down there. And you want to tell me say you not have nothing to clean your house. That's how your behavior is. When my platform have to do with your platform, here you tell a lie. You over there tear me down pan live and people report your life. Me do everything know you me hear you tell people say me report your life. Curly me not play them picnic joke there. Since you make half of my bread, since you come off of my bread and butter, me I go come off back off of you. And me I go look back for the picture with the chink on the bed. Me I go give you, I go show you what it is. Me I go show you how it go. I know me blind you. I know me blind you. Friend, you see somebody cannot hide them disability. You know say yes a wicked woman. Curly you blind in a one eye. That's why they call you one eye jack. And that's why the woman is sent back for you when he's chip you down at Jamaica like rejection banana. And then call you Cyclops. Why them call you Cyclops? And you have a complete head round your head back. And the woman who rent the car tell me how you turn. Cause me no know you. The woman say when he realize that who the guy and he see you, him a wonder if you're mad. The woman say you have a complete head round your head back. And your head side then flattened and you have one eye. The dirty woman not have nothing about her. Who you try shut up me? You can't try shut me up, Curly. Go shut up yourself and go shut up your legs. Because when you did young, you always open your leg for nothing. I know you come and open your leg for nothing. Go stop by use your crutches and buy friendship. Go stop use your crutches and buy. Me say me I want son of Jamaica. You see you try keep far from him, you know. Because if you don't want me chop off the extra head where you have, you try keep far with your stagnant front. Because like how me hear and these are the things, you are a pedophile. Curly, you are a pedophile. Them for report you. Try keep far from me picking down there. How? Me I warn you keep far from me son because me will chop off the extra head. Because he's a two-headed dragon and that me I tell you. Walk far. Anytime you know the young boy them ask themselves them woman and Janice will live a Curacao. Now, anytime you go down to Jamaica there, and you going and the first thing you ask them if them woman named Janice will live a Curacao. You can't take off my picture and send it down the go them say for them woman that and if they say yes you just tell them say get good night sorry. Cause me tell them we chop off the extra head. Cause you now you just stagnant friend, you are a pedophile. What a thingy a man a run down woman a run a Curly go in at the young boy inbox. I inbox the young boy and tell him so she have money. When Curly got Jamaica, the Curly not tan good. Curly come here. The woman live over poor man, the woman say you're not tan good. The woman say Curly not tan good and Curly go over the woman within 1 year. Curly you never want to tell the woman for the care for put you up. Mark who are people care people business come tell me people and Curly and mess with me so I put out Curly business out here. If she go sit down and content me I give Curly go and go explain to your followers them. And me never know see a space you did I rent over Portmore. Then Curly, I saw you just walk around and litter your body. You go for rent the shop over Portmore, you got Jamaica. Oh, you find man go and live with you, not the time serious. And go want to cover the man place, you make all the man buy wash machine. And the man have to run you out. And when the man, so you see the story with Winter clap though. When the man run out at them time, they ball to Winter. And Winter pay for the your sister then in take time laga and go down and family them go keep the treat. So now the puzzle fix right there so. The man over Portmore. You just got you can meet man so. With all of the grind where you grind from CG at 3 months old till now. You can't satisfy yourself. You can't talk about you no love woman. Curly no woman no there with you. Cause you don't shape. Curly is not no cougar. Curly is a pedophile. She is a pedophile. She is not cougar. Cougar wash, cook, clean, and take care of them man. Like a mother. Cougar is next like a mother. Curly don't ever take care of CJ, so Curly are gonna be cougar. You know what sound if you have sense? She's a turtle. Cougar as somebody will take care of them and wash, cook, clean, find out like how a mother would have take care of her son. That's a cougar. Curly do ever love beard. Fishy self. Curly, when you come out, come tell the people them why you file bankruptcy. At this man, me know say all my pum pum I go sore up when she done. But Curly, I don't care. I did want you to leave me alone. Oh, you want to stop my blessing, Curly? Why you want to stop my blessing? Why you want to stop my blessing? Why you have a problem with my Zelle and my cash up? Because your sheet them now sell? When me come out and want something, you see me come out and me tell you say, a lady first me introduce my life, me say a lady, when me and her have had with difference, send me $40. And me come out here come talk, me to me know she want her name call, come in no come for no confrontation with her, you and Tina me have a deal with now. You dirty Curly. When nobody give me nothing, me take it. When the people them are offer you, don't went and then they offer for help you when you're homeless. People that go come, don't you cuss and say you don't want nobody sorry for you because you have money and you pay. You have Curly because I'm going to tell you something now and this is why you're stupid. You sell the sheet them and when you sell the sheet then you have to pay the money for the night. So you will end up paying more than the 900 I had because remember so the government was paying a part for you. Of course. But at the same time, Curly, no, I'm gonna run out on Curly. Curly run out on me, come to defend myself. A Curly run out on me, and people make me remember on this. You know what say? When I shanty the day at Canada, because maybe people will see say them a gang up on Curly. When I shanty the day at Canada, I shanty the day at Canada, you know, don't even remember me not at that time, yeah, the time when him went first. Ashanti they are Canada, Curly no say Ashanti. Whatsoever, I don't know people me not far, but maybe thing there. Curly must find one Ashanti neighbor. And Curly come out here make a story and tell, hey, one thing me can tell you say. One thing me can tell you say. Curly is a wicked and liar. Wicked serpent. No wonder she have a head. Curly is a two-headed dragon. Because when Curly come out with the story, you know, but Ashanti and she talk to woman and she talk to man, you know. That time, you know, I want big pussy neighbor where people and me I tell you this, you know. Where Ashanti have, you know. When make mischief and go on and I tell Curly and Curly make if you say if you never turn up strong Ashanti and the woman if I did that Curly make a mix up and make up a story and put out here when I the boy a God make a boy call and say Ashanti neighbor Curly wicked and lie you know. Ashanti never trouble Curly. Ashanti the day at Canada a Curly can't trouble Ashanti. This last minister, they never have them difference, you know. This last bangarang will come a Curly trouble Ashanti with this thing about woman and Canada and put out. The same goes for Dr. Love. Dr. Love come out on him live and Dr. Love a laugh and Dr. Love play one video about homeless on YouTube and she take on Dr. Love. Me, she tell lie for me, so she send money come here, come give me. She and blogger when me and them in that friend. Because she talk about Miss Richie and me talk about it and to leave the old man alone. She take on for me and she know this. We never trouble Curly this last time. Make them go and freak themselves. Never cock out them better. Man, me catch him and give him something. Come Bible and fling him in my pressure cooker. Yeah, my window open, me get in the cool breeze. This is one thing I like with my third world country, you know. This little nasty, dirty woman with her liar self. Curly come tell the people them why you go bankrupt. I go and reel them out as that come off of the live I reel them out. Then I bathe and go sleep. Then I get up and prepare for me picking them. Because I say, you curly, I'm sorry for you to lie. Me hear you tell some dangerous lie. You hear what you tell the people them say for writing at the letter? You know you can't even afford train fare. The people them for write in the letter say, tell me if you're not wicked. And you say, since you're wicked, me I come out here come do you the same thing back what you do to me. Till now, me no file bankruptcy. Nobody now look for me. Me no owe nobody. Nobody me no owe. And you say the people them for write in the letter say, you want come a curse so, but because of my behavior, that's a wicked and devious lie. You sit down right on your platform. You need to tell the people them say me and you have it out. You tell me, say me tell the people them how it go. You need to tell the people you came out, you do a live, you degrade a 94-year-old funeral. I came, I tell you, say it is not good, you drag me the most way. I tell you what happened, what transpired with you and an ex-friend, and it's so it go. And tell the people them say you tell lie for me, say you send money come here, come give me curly. Where the receipt? Dash it out. Like how me I got dash out the bankruptcy case about you. Damn thief. All you years of your life, these years of your life, you walk and thief and scam. That's why. Let me tell you something. I must say this openly. My 17-year-old son, although a Audrey picnic picture come out, my picnic did underage. CJ a big man, CJ at 24. I don't know if female I got stuck like 24 because a long time now me I yes CJ at 24. So I don't know if female I got stuck at 24 like how fear one I got stuck at 50. CJ a big man. And the destruction and the wickedness and the sin of you make CJ turn so. And if that grandchild mother never draw away and run, girl, run with your child. Run. No make no curse. Come catch him. Curly, you're cursed. Curly, you're stagnant. Curly, you're done. You can't stop nothing for me because I say, if when me come off here so, I'm going to get $10. Me satisfy and thank God. You're too bad mind. After me now come out here come tell people you want me post or push for the people them can get your sheet cheaper. How dare you? Which scamming you see me do? You see me are you scared ya? Which scamming you see me do? You see me are you scared ya? There's nowhere you can do me nothing. Cause if you go and tell lie bank go investigate and you have to go show proof for you do business. Bank go investigate. Yes, a wicked dirty. You is one nasty stinking wicked dirty all man. But you want report Zealand cash up. Since you want to report Zealand cash up, me I go report your bankruptcy to the followers. Then you know how long me sit down on it? You know how long me sit down on them? Yeah? You know how long me sit down on them, you drunker? But since you're bright enough, if you can go and like say, this your platform, you are feel. Me know you're big and ugly, but you're not King Kong for me. Me, if me ever and people for come tell you, make them come tell you now. Oh yeah, my father is from there too, you know, from main district. My father is from there, my grandmother too is from Clarendon. But we were born in town. Now, this little nasty girl both say, you want to come But anytime me pin up Zella and Cash App over here, where my Zella and my Cash App have to do with you? Where my Zella and my Cash App have to do with you? Tell me what it have to do with you. You want eat and me and my penny them not for eat curly. Oh, you name the you want you name up the pantry, you name up the meals and deals and the wheels. Then you go McDonald's and you go all over. Plus if you pop up a people yard you name took anywhere you go curly, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Yeah, because I said the touch while ago. Make Curly I report the live. Curly over there report the live. Go and report it, Curly. Go and report it. Because if you report it, me I come back. And if you don't report it, me I go over Shanti. Because there's a serpent, there's a two-headed dragon. Why you fall bankrupt? Why you not love pay your bills? Why everybody and them a friend? Them and let me tell you something, everybody have the similar story about her. Your cousin say you're workless and nasty and craven. The woman for the car say you're workless, so you can't say you're a workless woman because there's no way that boy could have want you. You left foreign broke and got Jamaica go grind for what? Curly, I want everything you did in the man dog game BMW?